Erica Rasha, and welcome back to iAMERICA. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you comment on this video to let me know what else you want to see on this channel. So, as you may have noticed, I have taken a month and a half off of posting videos. And why is that? That's because I am starting a new channel. Yes. So on that channel, I'll be posting videos giving you advice about growing your brand, understanding your audience, and helping you create a great customer experience. And I'll be posting videos every Tuesday and Friday on that channel. So make sure you click the link up in the cards above so that you can subscribe to my new channel. And also the link will be in the description box down below. By watching my new channel, you'll be able to learn how to grow your business and attract more customers. From my free tips on my new channel to my Instagram, everything is just getting a revamp. I will be sometimes posting over here on this channel, but it will mostly just be videos of what I want and what you all ask me for. And it won't be as frequent because I'm really putting all of my focus into my new channel because it's something that I truly believe in. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. And so I'm saying no to fear, and I'm taking the jump in the leap of faith. So please, please don't let me fall, y'all. Don't let me fall. So if you ever wanted to start a business or whatever, let me help you out and let me teach you about customer experience and consumer behavior and stuff like that, because that's what I love to learn about. And that's what I love to teach about as well. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my new channel. It's called Erica Rasha. Simple enough. Erica Rasha, it's my name. So make sure you subscribe to my new channel at Erica Rasha so that you can see new content from me. Plus, what I want y'all to do is I want you to go to my new channel, and on my first video, I want you to say #iAMERICA game. That way I know you are like a real supporter. I know you came from my first channel. I know that you're a true OG and you're rocking with me the long way. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I've had this channel for what, over 3 years now. So thank you so much. 160 subscribers in that time, and I know for some people that's not a lot, but every one of y'all do mean something to me. I am grateful for it all, and I hope to see you on my new channel. But until then, bye. Still got it. And follow me on Instagram for more me, and on TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. I be like, I'm a savage. Yeah. Everything's Erica Rasha now. Everything is Erica Rasha. If you want to find me, Erica Rasha. All right, bye for real. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. You hit that